Take a look at this Instagram account. It gained over 1 lakh followers, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And all they're posting are these matchstick burning animal videos. Now here's the crazy part. Today I'll show you how to create these exact videos using AI. And the best part? You can do this for free. Let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT, then go to Explore GPTs and search for Matchstick Shorts. Once you find it, click on Start Chat. Now simply type the animal you want. For example, I'll type lion. It will instantly generate an image prompt and a video prompt. Now copy the image prompt. Next, go to Flow AI. Click on Create Image. Here, choose the number of outputs. Select your aspect ratio and choose the model Nano Banana Pro. Now paste the image prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your images are ready. Now let's turn this into a video. Go to Create Video inside Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Choose how many outputs you want. Now upload the image you generated as the first frame. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. You can now download it and use it for your content. And that's how you can create these viral matchstick burning animal videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche you want me to cover next.